Hi, so today we're going to be making an aquarium. So we're just going to draw a line here. And as you can see, it's becoming to look a bit like a, well, I don't really know what it's called. Anyway, we're just going to draw a line down here. A line over here. And we're going to keep going until we reach the end. Then we're going to draw a line across, a line across, and a line across, and a line across here, and one here. Then we hit the floor. And now we're going to draw a line here and keep going until we reach the end. And keep going. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and we've got to make the same amount here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that should be okay. Then we're going to draw like a semicircle up here. You can go up here, down there. It would be really good if you had a ruler that was in the shape of a semicircle, because then you could get it just right. There. And so now we're going to, you can draw fish in here. And you can also colour this in black and white. So I'm just going to get this black and colour the tiles in. And you can go, so this one's not going to be doing it, so you colour that one in, and then this one in. Ooh. Then you colour that one in. Then you colour this one in, and then this one in. You keep going, that one in, and you colour that one in. So and so on. I'm just going to colour this one in. Then this one in. And then you colour this one in, this one in, and this one in, and then so on. Then after that, you can draw fish in here. I'm going to just quickly draw a squid, which is basically like a not a semicircle, an oval, and then a triangle up here. You can draw it as if it's about to spray it up. Wait, no, that's actually really not very good. Or you can do it as if it's like that. And you can draw seaweed coming out from the ground or the walls. You can do lots of different types of seaweed. There's different shades. And now I'm going to do some orange fish in this one. And then you could do like a log over here, as if it was for decoration. And then you can colour that in with a different shade, as if it's going inside the log. You can draw some seaweed coming out of the log, if you wanted, like that. And then in the next one you can choose what to do. If you wanted to do it symmetrical, you could do the squids on this side, the same as this side, and fish on this side, the same as that side. And you keep going. I'm going to do it symmetrical, so I'm going to go with some fish on this side. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 fish on this side, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 fish on this side. Or this time, instead of drawing a log, I'm going to draw like a plant with loads of leaves. And keep going until it reaches the bottom. And then so on. You can do a different shade of green in the middle of it. So I'm going to go with the darker shade of green, like a forest green colour. Don't mind the voices in the background. Done. Then you could do that. Although I personally prefer the log. You can do some more squids on this side. There. And if you wanted, you could draw some eyes on it. Where's the black? Okay. You could draw some eyes. There. 2 eyes on this squid. 2 eyes on that squid. 2 eyes on that squid. Well, it looks like those 2 eyes are joined together. And then you can do an octopus. You can go with pencil for the octopus. And you can draw dots on it. Half dots, full dots. There. Now I'm going to do purple and orange for the insides. Dot the dot. Oh, oops. That was all. He almost hit on his eyes. There. And black and blue. I'll just go over it. There. Then I'm going to do another squid over here. there. And then I'm not going to do another octopus over here, instead I'm going to do some jellyfish. I'm going to do like a peachy colour. And then a pink colour. You can keep going until you get to the end. Now, for these, it's like a window to show you outside. So you could go with a dark blue colour for the lines. And then you can do for the sky a different shades of blue, different light blue colours. But I'm not going to do that now because it might take a bit too long. And then I'm going to just colour in these. There. And now over here. Rather than just colouring these. I'll come to look back to those later. Meanwhile, we can do some more sea creatures. Wait, what other sea creatures are there in the sea? Well, there are. Let's just do some more fish, but in different colours. We could do some goldfish. Oh no, those are goldfish. A starfish. We can do starfish. Okay, here. Do like a triangle. With another triangle like that. And we can do dots. Like that. And the starfish. I'm sure you can do yours better than I can do mine. Blue. Can't really see that. Red. You can sort of see that. And you can do some smaller ones. There. And some ones at the bottom. Oh, awesome. Looks like a shooting star. Anyway. And then we can do some more fish with different colours. You could do like... Oh, we could do an anglerfish, but I'm not quite sure how to draw that. If you do, that would be a really good thing to draw. I'm just going to draw some random fish. Here. And there you have a aquarium. I'm just going to finish drawing these, colouring in. For a tip, you could actually draw the smallest ones first, colouring the smallest ones first before doing the largest ones. Sorry about that. That was just my brother. And then I think this pen's running out of ink, so I'm just going to leave it there. I'll colour that in one in later. And there you have an aquarium.